Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today's gonna be like a chill kind of errands day. I've got a lot, well not really a lot, but I've got some stuff planned. I know I said in my last vlog I'm not gonna give you a rundown on what's gonna happen in the future in the vlog, like an agenda, like a plan, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead so you guys can get excited. Basically, I am going to go to Dunkin' Donuts, get coffee, then I'm going to Best Buy, getting a new vlog camera. I'm so excited. I'm getting a new vlog camera finally. Then I'm gonna go back here and move some furniture into my studio room, blah blah blah. I talked about that in my last video, but basically I'm making like a filming room. And then what else? Oh, and then Brandon, my boyfriend, gets back from his cruise today. So we're going to go out to dinner, or he's going to come over here. We're going to hang out. It's going to be a chill day. I look really bad right now. My hair is really gross. I have no makeup on, and I'm like breaking out like crazy. But you know, this is my vlog. I was about to say my vlog channel. This is a vlog, and I want like you guys to see the real side of me. So this is the real side. So maybe I'll get ready later, but for right now, I'm just going to skirt on out of here.
Good afternoon, how may we help you?
Hi, can I get a medium hazelnut iced coffee with almond milk?
Medium hazelnut ice with almond milk?
Yes.
Okay.
And then,
What's your order?
no, I actually want 10 cinnamon munchkins.
10 cinnamon munch.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's all.
Alright, please go around.
Alright, thank you.
I'm so sorry for this angle and the angle that you just saw. I'm a scaredy cat, and I don't know. It's just like weird if they like see that I'm recording. Ever since that one McDonald's incident, I'll link the video up here if you guys haven't checked it out, but it was awful. Do not come for me. But Dunkin' is 10 times better than Starbucks. I got 10 munchkins, which is like donut holes, and then a medium coffee, which is huge, for $5. $5. You do not sleep on Dunkin'. It's 1 o'clock, and I haven't ate anything. Alright, so I'm going to sit here and eat these. Probably not all of them, because it's a lot. And then I'm going to head over to Best Buy. This vlog is going to be filmed on 3 different cameras. My old one, my phone, and then when I get my new one, my new one. So, hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, it's a little while later. It is now 2:18 in the afternoon. I think the last time I saw you was at like around like 1 o'clock before I went into Best Buy. So I'm gonna do a haul for you guys / unboxing. So the first thing that I got is this. It's like a knockoff Gorilla tripod, because the Gorilla tripods are like $50. This looks just like it. And now the moment you've been waiting for. This was the last one at my Best Buy, by the way. There's only like, I want to say like one Best Buy where I live. Okay, so it like comes in this little tray, and you get the charger for the battery, which I have one already, and then this little cord, and then the battery. So yeah, so here's the camera. Y'all, this feels so weird. Oh my god, it's like so much heavier. How do I flip it out? Oh my gosh. I just flipped it out. That is so weird. When I vlog, you guys, like I said, I don't have a screen, so like I'm just looking at the camera and I have no idea what I look like. And so now I have like, oh my gosh. And now I can do time lapses, I think. I'm not really sure how to work this, to be honest. I'm gonna charge the battery. I'm moving stuff to make this studio room. So this is just an extra room that we have, and this is what it looks like. It's very outdated. Like that couch is like extremely old. I think my parents have had it for like 25 years probably. They had it in like our old house. So, and this was my old desk. I don't know if you guys remember this. It's a little, yeah, okay. So, oh lord, this is a mess. Yeah, but basically I'm gonna move everything. We're gonna put this like over on this wall. I'm going to hang stuff on that wall and just like make this really pretty. But I'm not going to go like all out just because I am moving in 4 months. And I want a new couch, but I don't know. I know I'm only going to be here for 4 months. So I'm going to try and like make it pretty and make do. It's just going to be a place where I can like film. But this is my old guinea pig stuff. Yes, I've had a guinea pig since like 7th grade. And she just died like a month or 2 ago. So I'm going to be moving all her stuff out. But I would do a time lapse, but I can't do a time lapse on this camera, so I'm gonna have to do it on my new one. But I'll do it later. But for right now, I'm gonna clean all this stuff up, I guess. I don't know what we're gonna do with all this food. I guess just throw it away. I'm not really sure, you guys. So I'm gonna move this. Yeah, we'll probably just throw this all away. That's very wasteful, but I'm not getting a guinea pig anytime soon. We'll have to vacuum in here. Well, I say we, and I'm talking about me and my dad, because we're working on this together. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take this downstairs, and I'll be back. I've still been waiting on my dad for like ever. He's talking to somebody that's like mowing our yard. He's been talking to him for like literally an hour. This is all the stuff that needs to be moved. All this, and then I have to go back to Target and get some rugs because I forgot to get them. This is not the room that we're redoing. This is just another bonus room. Here's my lights and like my tripod and everything, and I literally have to take that back and forth. Of course they're yellow. But I literally have to take them back and forth to my room. So from here to there, and it's a struggle. And then right here is the studio filming room. Yeah, I've got a lot that I probably could do without my dad. That's just like, what is this? Oh my god, this is just random crap.
Old, but I don't see anything wrong with it.
That is just really old. He wants to keep that lamp. That look real good in my videos. He has a problem. He hates being wasteful.
Well, I hate to tell y'all, but some people will pay a lot of money. You put that lamp somewhere and somebody would go crazy.
It would be pretty with
Do you want to go to Target with
It
me?
just needs a new shade.
Do you want to go to Target with me?
Go to Target with?
Heck no.
Why? You're good at picking out stuff.
Daddy-daughter date.
I need to.
Yeah. I just got to get a rug, the table, and then maybe a lamp.
I can't today. I gotta go to the lake and take trash and all that stuff.
You don't have to. Okay, so this is the update. So my camera is finally charged. So what I'm going to do is take the SIM card, SD card, SIM card, out of this camera and put it in my new camera. So the next clip is going to be on the new camera. So before, oh my god. Oh my. This is unreal. Are you guys seeing this? Okay, so I'm on my new camera right now. I'm sorry, I keep looking at the monitor. You're just gonna have to get over that for a second because I just got a monitor screeny thingy. You know what I mean? It does kind of wash me out, but I can fix that. I gotta play around with it. Oh my god, this is so exciting. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to figure it out, like change the settings and everything. So I'm about to go to Target, finally. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, come over here.
What am I looking at?
Focused. The monitor.
Okay.
Can you tell? Doesn't it look better?
Does what look better?
The camera, what do you think?
Well, how do I know? What am I comparing it with?
The old one.
Well, you didn't have a monitor on the old one.
I'm talking about the quality.
Oh. Well, that's a good quality. The other one was good. I can't really say.
I don't know how to figure the settings of how to like turn the brightness up and down. I'll have to figure that out.
We'll look at it.
So this girl named Madison, hold on, it's not focusing. And she tweeted me and said, spending the day watching your YouTube videos. So thank you, Madison. Yeah. I found the camera case. So I'm gonna get that. Okay, so I just got home and me and my dad got Chick-fil-A. And we ate that, and I'm waiting on Brandon to get here. He's gonna help me kind of like finalize everything in this room, and my dad's gonna hang up the pictures, but I'm gonna show you guys some more stuff that we got today. This is what it looks like right now. Hold on, the brightness is really high. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. We got this rug, and it's obviously like a pink and yellow, and I saw this pillow first, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good to cover up the ugly green couch. And my dad's like, is that gonna match? I was like, yeah, because the pictures that we got the other day have pink in them. And he's like, okay. And I was worried about the yellow not matching because like yellow and pink, I don't know, but that's like my intro and my outro. Like I love yellow and pink. And then I saw this rug and it was just like right like in the middle, like somebody had threw it like in a random aisle, and I was like, oh my god, that's literally perfect. Then I'm gonna put this throw on top to cover up the green. And then look at my coffee sign, it's awesome. And then I got this coffee table, I didn't even mean to, but it's gold legs, and then the matching lamp. I didn't even do that on purpose, but it's marble and then gold right here. It's perfect, like it's awesome. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that letter board up. Oh, and then we got this tassel thing. It's gonna look so freaking awesome, you guys. Like I'm so excited, it's gonna look so good. Okay, I see him. Oh god.
Dad's in the background.
Dad, move! I'm trying to record. Hi.
Oh, how sweet.
He hasn't seen it yet.
I saw it when I first walked in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Welcome back, Brandon.
Hey,
Thank
Brandon.
you. Glad to be back.
Oh, that's a great
Yeah,
picture.
it is a great picture.
Wait, let me see. Show the camera. Hold on, it's gotta focus. There we go. Aww.
So the Grand
That's a
Canyon
great
was the best part.
picture.
Yeah, it was really cool. And then we
You
also,
actually scuba diving?
and then like,
You went under with a tank?
no, it was just with the little thing that came out
Oh,
top, but it was
that's
long, so
snorkel.
yeah, snorkel.
Look how good this quality is.
Oh, it's really good.
Doesn't it look like a lot better?
It was like,
No,
Can
you
I
gotta,
eat?
you
Can I
know.
eat? I'm hungry.
Okay.
With my eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Okay.
It's not completely done, but all right. Oh,
Oh, wow.
do you like it?
Yes, it looks great.
Thank you.
Ooh.
So
What's your name?
this is the final look. But I put my channel name for like there for right now, but I'll put a Bible verse or something later. So what do you think?
I love it.
Did we do good? This happened in one day.
oh, that is super cool.
I showed you this already.
I know, but it's just really cool.
Okay.
I like it.
So this is the finished studio slash filming room. I've called it a studio a lot, but I mean to call it like a filming room. Because a studio, you think of like backdrops and like very professional stuff. This looks super cool and I'm really happy. So as you could tell, like the room's not completely like decorated. If I was living here like the rest of my life or for like a few years or even a year, I would decorate like the whole room and redo the whole room. But I'm not going to because I'm moving in 4 months. So I'm just gonna take all this stuff probably to my apartment because I won't like need it here anymore. Hi guys, it's Hannah Victoria. I'd never say that. Hi guys. Let me know what you guys want us to film together because we've already done the boyfriend tag and the, you're not even in the shot. And what did we do? Boyfriend tag and
We did boyfriend tag twice, and
how we met.
mm-hmm.
We did boyfriend tag twice. So I think we should do like a boyfriend does my makeup. I think that'd be really, really fun where he does my makeup. We actually filmed that. Do you remember?
We did
We
film
never
that.
uploaded it.
And
The lighting was awful.
yeah, and I was awful too.
Yeah, it was not good. But we'll do it again if you guys want to see that. Oh, a lot of people have like Snapchatted me or even like commented to do the drive with me. But I have to get a car mount first. I do have this.
I have a car mount.
This, but it's for your phone. And it's like a magnet. But I'm sure I could like make it work maybe.
Yeah, you could.
Okay guys, so I added these little starlights. They're like rose gold. My best friend Michaela got them for me for like part of my birthday present. And I think they look really good. Guys, so what time is it?
Hey, make sure you look at the camera.
Oh yeah. That's pretty bad when he has to remind me to look at the camera. It's 9:30 right now and we were just watching some, I can't even see what it looks like, some YouTube on my computer. I'm just chilling and hanging out.
The screen's black.
Why? Oh yeah. And now we're probably just gonna end off the vlog because I don't think we're doing anything else. We're just gonna chill and then he's gonna go home. I'm gonna go to bed. And tomorrow I'm going to Raleigh shopping with my mom. I might do a haul. Oh, I'll do a back to school clothing haul. Okay.
That's a good idea.
Clothing haul's coming your way. Anyway. guys. I love you guys so much. And one of you guys, I forgot to mention this, I'm actually Snapchatting right now. Her name's Madison. It's the one who tweeted me. I followed her on Instagram and then she added me on Snapchat. So if you guys ever want to chat with me, just add me, follow me. Yeah. Alright, I love you guys so much. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.